Step number 1, you need to dominate one particular niche. Step number 2, it's a high time. You need to build a system. Step number 3, the most important thing, you need to build a brand, no matter what you do. Kayuma nang branding build ta hodraba, ka nangi company ki logo, nangi branding phasana ta hodraba, you are just like a freelancer. Ka scale ta wodum ngamar dam. Today the branding is deep on sanganoba. It will take some time. Ka slow and steady adum lakani adubu hujte nang ju prepare ta hoba matam gi matungina logo change tarokani, coloring adum change tarokani, Amazon gi logo hanba kamai tar mi yango, huji kamai tar yango, Google gi hanba logo kamai tar, huji logo kamai tar, time to time hek hoga everything phasani perfect ni sada swang aroi ko lejariba nangunda khuchu khulai lejariba nangunda lejariba khara do thoko Asur Academy kamai horoki. We don't have a logo in the initial stage. YouTube tagi hokiba yum dagi ko tamduda ai Guwahati da lei Guwahati gi rent ama khaktagi ai phammaga koi satra correction dagi ama su yawi ko moi myam toroga koi hogiba company ne ado tapna Asur Academy myam na khangbi dana ngasi myam ama laktana satra myam lakpi dana join ga tobri se ado khoi ju maming amdin ai thamang mani ba natragadi ai freelancer gi type da dum leram mani ba. So this is important. Aduna branding samatamda every company's CEO kudimakta we require a personal branding. This is super important, I'm telling you. The branding the logo da ngata tabida nang se you as a brand when it can be over. Adu targadi minasu emotionally attached to matamda nungaini hokpai ni go tung goina di hangwai nangi logo dum tortini ahan bajdi Mioiba mga connect to na bukona view nang zinana brand gi type ta dum loina biro gana mingonda mina pamiba outcomes mina pamiba feelings mina huji problem leba pen problems ma'am do moi gi brand ni thaja ba yawni moi do buchang gi tar gadi soiroi na smaina haini. Adi number 4 you need to build lots of offers. Ko aina offer na high tarde khoi Manipur ge 50% 60% adu percent ada percent no ai offer ga mayam ge offer ga kene my offer is something which I wanted to give for free. In every entrepreneur or business owner or student or housewife ai moi am dane loinamak accessible ohiningeba ko aina ngamjaba field da high tarde ai entrepreneur amada ai business owner amada ai moi mateng pangbani ngame. But I can't help to those politicians, to those doctors, to those lawyers. Adu ay line na teba. Ay na ngamjaba khar dudi ay advice to ngami, ko ay execute to ngami, ay implement to ngami, strategy pi ngami, ko si na ay line of expertise hay tar. Adu main to duna nahakizu nangi offer do. It's not about discount. It's not about buy one get one. That's a boring. Adu yung muda kadaro kani something which you can give an advice for free, something which you can give for free. Peer matungda build trust, build relationship, build credibility, build authority in the market. Adu oi targadi ko nahaki business se automatically dum marketing tawjadroba. Manipur dadi mi amana bu phai hagraba ko yamna sadokpaje yam thui. Mi amana phatte hagraba sadokpaje yam thui. Aduna Hanba branding sarpumatamda, the most important thing is you starting from you. The product is the second. Aduga last not but the least, the most important thing is you need a team in order to scale your business when it comes to the marketing. Nahak se huzik marketing di nang dasiko na lonamak strong je targasu team yaw da matam dane nang sungam mo nang yam wani ai su tawmi ko ai chahi ahum me thatna nga da tawmi adu tawdabu ai skill da wai sungam makte yam wai team mam lai targadi ai su miyobni ai nark ba yarokani ama taw yarokani matam du da ai team da khoi correction ji marketing ni the aggression sales ni lanchen bi operations ni adagi jakim support ni adagi akhoi langui video editing ni adagi amana justice ko moi video editing da moi loi tawbiri ne ba aina video editing amuk toksan adagi customer ga mu sales tawna lai marketing emo adugi landing page ka dai adu taw loi taragadi adugi mayam da ai nong da pung kya lai ne I just only have like 24 hours pung kun mari sida aina tumgadabagi pung 3 4 ong khaidokpigro chaba thakpagi iruja mai thakpagi asaibuk chatpa khotpagi pung 5 tar om khaidokpigro adudu dum ai nomagi loigreba adagi mo ai thabak tawdab su mu yaroi adagi hujikti ko ai su ichanu pam mayamnina maung su matam pidab yaroi nomda ina thabak tawise pung 3 4 khatani adu ta somju yengbiyoba somna hujik intermediate stage lei na hujik pasalem daba yawmani team hire tawbagi adu targadi business ki field da nang skill tor ke na bo khalakpa mikup to you need a money pasa yawduna kamaya deno mi hire tawba je free hire tawba yaroi aduna business tawdi kanda hanna nangi pasa je kitang saving to honingi tawgadabu sidadi you need a mentor here otherwise intermediate stage tagi ko scale talk matam da nasan thanna tawjuba dudi ko ai go na di kitang wagani ai jo ai kano da education da I have spent lots of money in my education da you know ai jo ina pam yo goal do pamak panina ai yongna bai talk matam da ko I have invested lots of money in my own education adi isa do invest to gi knowledge tagi skills tagi strategy tagi execution tagi mind tagi ko ai lonamak punjal kanda I mentor me amada I pasana spend in my own education. So what are you waiting for? If you need my help in any scenario, basic tagina pro natraga skill tawke hamatamda I have kimateng pam targading simak aksur.net/book the natraga hoigi phone number sida hapcharamge WhatsApp tawbir kara call tawbir kara asimak tawbiro songi mateng I soinamaki I pangjage aduga mayamna henna khangba ani leitarsu ko ai adum pop hobiro nakidamukta surlejari. Thank you everyone and I'll see you in the next video guys.